Lincoln MKZ here today. We got called for one headlight being the driver's side, but we wound up doing both. The passenger side here had a little bit of issues, but the owner said, no, it's good enough. They tried to do a restoration on the right side with a kit and they messed it up. So you can see here the damage that the kit did. I slowed it down for you. And they were like, no, we just want one done. And I told them, look, when I do the one, you're going to want to do the other one because it's going to look really good. So sure enough, I wound up doing both. So here you go. That's the one I didn't have to do, but I did it anyway. Look how great it came out. And then the bad one that was done with the kit, I redid it, and there you go. Awesome. Like brand new. South Florida, 754-302-0769. Broward, Miami, Palm Beach. Give us a call, send us a text of your headlights.